One of the biggest requests that we had from our customer base itself was access control. So Hanwha Vision has come out with OnCAFE, and it's cloud access for everyone. And in the typical Hanwha DNA, we've made it intuitive, easy to use. We've thought about simple things like including FAI for your fire alarm, for your mag locks. We have really neat things like scheduling. If you've ever been an integrator or you've ever been an end user and you're trying to create a holiday schedule or a school schedule, whatever that may be, it's a pain because you have to copy and paste and do these different things. They thought through all of those pain points. We're now in natural language. You can type in exactly what you want those hours to be for your lock schedule. Generative AI will automatically set that schedule for you. One of the best parts about OnCAFE and access control in general is it actually stops somebody at the door from coming into things like K-12, education, hospitals, these areas of concern. You've been looking for that single pane of glass to solve your video and access solution. Hanwha's got it.